Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Charles Schwab options. First, ensure your Charles Schwab account is approved for options trading, which typically requires a specific application and approval process. Familiarize yourself with options fundamentals, including calls, puts, strike prices, and expiration dates. Schwab offers extensive educational materials to help you grasp these concepts and understand the inherent risks involved before you begin trading. Once your account is ready, dive into Schwab's powerful research tools. Platforms like Street Smart Edge provide advanced analytics to help you identify potential opportunities. Explore option chains to see various strike prices and expiration cycles, typically ranging from weekly to several months out. Use the built-in screeners to filter options based on criteria such as implied volatility, open interest, or specific price ranges, helping you narrow down your choices effectively. When you are ready to place a trade, select the specific option contract you wish to buy or sell, clearly indicating if it's a call or a put. Then, choose your order type. A limit order, for instance, allows you to specify the maximum price you will pay or minimum you will receive. Always double-check all details, including the number of contracts, strike price, and expiration date, before submitting your order for execution. After placing your trade, continuous monitoring of your open options positions is crucial. Keep an eye on market movements and how they affect your contracts. Understand various exit strategies, such as selling to close a long option or buying to close a short option, to lock in profits or limit losses. Always be mindful of expiration dates and the potential for assignment or exercise, especially for options held close to expiry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.